Hi everyone. Today I'm privileged to be able to demonstrate to you the new collection feature that will be available in the next version of Trio. Collections are groups of pages that Trio generates for you from data that you provide. For example, in the world.json file are entries for internationally recognized flags of the world. In each entry is the name of the region that the flag is associated with, its ISO Alpha 2 and Alpha 3 IDs, as well as the name of the flag's image file, which is located in the project's media folder. Having to create a page for each one of these items in this file, of which there are 249, would take, I think you would agree, a considerable amount of effort. And that is where Trio's collection feature comes into play. By simply declaring that a fragment is a collection and that the collection is providing a JavaScript function that will return the actual data to be used to generate the pages, Trio will generate one page for each item of data that this function returns. When I build this project, Trio will generate 250 pages. 249 pages will be generated from the 249 entries in my JSON data file, and one page as a landing page, which we will see now. So here's the landing page, Flags of the World. On this page are items, 249 items for each one of those being a flag of the world. And by clicking on any one of these items, we are directed to the page for the item that we had Trio generate for us. Sorry for the lag, but I am running some screen capture software, and it could cause my aging laptop to to be a little laggy. So as we see, we have 249 items on the landing page, which could, if if you want to think about this page as being a portfolio of items, a catalog of items, in this case a portfolio or a catalog of flags. By clicking on any individual item, takes us to a detail page for that item. So here we have a flag for Caraco, and we have the ISO numbers representing those flags. The flag, we have the ISO 2 number, the ISO 3 number, the region of the world in which the flag is recognized for, and of course a link back to the main page. So there are many different use cases for collections when you're building a static website or any website for that matter. Um, for example, um, you can use Trio's collection feature rather, to build pages that display related articles in a blog by their associated tag. And for any other reason where you have a one-to-many type situation and that one-to-many relationship could be captured from the metadata, from Trio's metadata, is a suitable use case to use collections, so you don't have to generate those pages yourself. The whole reason for collections is recognizing that creating them by hand is a tedious process. As I mentioned before, Collections are slated to drop in the next release of Trio. I hope you're as excited about Collections as I am. I think it's a marvelous new feature, and I think it's going to allow you to more easily create the things that you might have been struggling to create using Trio without Collections. I hope you've enjoyed this short demo of Collections, and if you have, please consider subscribing to this channel and to click on the bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thank you for joining me. See you soon. Bye-bye.